Hello, this is CBI broadcasting from the Airtec from Frankfurt, the supply fair for the high demanding aerospace market. Today I have a meeting with Jun Ramos from Famous Secret from the Philippines, and I have some questions for you, Mr. Jun. What is the company's interest in going to the aerospace market?
We are interested in learning more and doing some aerospace parts. Starting from automotive, now we want to challenge ourselves doing some difficult parts in aerospace market.
Okay. Of course, the aerospace market is a high demanding market, and to show your face in this market segment, you have to do a good promotion. How did you prepare for this aerospace?
Actually, with the help of CBI, and of course Peter, we would like to thank Mr. Cole Dillman for helping us for the promotion, helping us to improve our catalogs, our website, giving us coaching, and of course doing some sample parts to present on this Airtec show.
Okay. If we look to the aerospace market, what is the aerospace market in terms of attractiveness for your company and your ability to supply to this demanding market? What can you tell about that?
We have grown from automotive motorcycle parts, and we have a lot of capabilities making aerospace parts. We have 250 CNC machines, and hope we can support that to do on the aerospace market.
Okay. I was here also in the CBI pavilion these 3 days, and I saw that they had plenty of meetings. With meeting the people from this industry, what was your main experience so far?
Actually, we're new in the industry, but we learn a lot. Getting those information with the same companies that joining the Airtec. We have a lot of information, we learn a lot of things, both with the help of CBI.
Okay. Yeah, you just told me that you have 250 CNC machines.
Yeah.
And you're taking this part with you, which looks to me an impeller. I was wondering, how do you manufacture this part? Like it looks me extremely difficult.
Yeah, you see, as we mentioned, we have 5-axis CNC machines that can produce those parts. These are flexible machines that can do a 5-axis movement. So these are one of the high-tech machines that we have for the aerospace industries.
Okay. I read in articles and some of my own experience is that after the fair, it's extremely important to get a good follow-up, to keep in contact with the people you met, to keep their focus and interest for sometimes 1 or 2 years. Don't give up. That is what we are taught. How are you going to do your own follow-up on this fair?
Okay, as what we have learned from the coaching of CBI, we should make a database for those customers, give them emails, send them newsletters, what we are doing right now, and then keep on following up so we can have a good communication with the customers.
Okay. Now, from the parts and the quality I've seen from your product, I think you'll be becoming very experienced and successful in this high demanding market. We greet you both from the Airtec Frankfurt, and we thank you for your interest in CBI. Thank you.